Have you imagined it? The moment when forces of nature align to create new possibilities. At SMU, research is a universe of infinite possibilities, a force for good. Harnessing the vast potential at the explosive intersection of data science, high-speed computing, gaming, virtual reality, and artificial intelligence to fuel research with impact and transform teaching. As we forge the future in a digital frontier that is wide open, we are better, smarter, faster. Human ingenuity and computational power unite at SMU to unlock new technologies that will shape how people live, learn, work, and heal. We're not waiting for the future. We're making it. Are you ready to imagine it?